Hello everyone, welcome to my Imperfect art number 27. So, how are we all doing? So, if you remember, guys, my last artwork was that of a mother turtle and a baby turtle on Mother's Day. And guess what, guys? 10 days later, this little one emerges. I'm so happy to share this news with all of you. So for today, we are doing a very simple watercolor painting of a bluebird. And like always, we start with a very rough sketch. Let's begin. As you have seen me before, I like to wet my paper with water and then put colors on it so that it nicely spreads across in the water. I'll be using a lot of neon colors here. Although they are neon colors, but you'll see that they'll give a very subtle hue to the background. Adding a little bit of blue as well to give that pure morning look. Using brown to do the branches, but as you can see, the paper is still a little bit wet. Now to do the branches in the distance, I'm not going to use more color. I'm just going to use the same brush and the little bit of color that is still left on my brush. In that way, it's just going to give a really faded, distant look. I love this neon blue. I'm always trying to find an excuse to use this. So guys, as I said, although this is neon color, it has a very subtle hue. So I am going to top this up with another layer. Blending out the sharp edges. Using metallic pink and metallic gold to give it a shimmer. Don't think my camera is picking up the shimmer, but it is looking really pretty. I've mixed some black and dark navy blue to make an indigo color, and I'm trying to use that to make some detailing on the feathers. Again, using the same indigo color to do the eye. It's very dark indigo though. There's a lot of repetitive pattern to do more detailing, so at times I'm going to speed up the video. Alright, let's do the bright red cherries now. So just like the branches, I'm doing the distant cherries with hardly any color on my brush. So it's gonna give that faded distant look. Just topping up the color for the nearer branches. Okay, so now I want my background a little bit darker and a little bit more blue. So let's see what we can do. It's just going to be a bit of a color brush on top of the painting. But you can do this only after the original painting has absolutely dried up. Okay, so you can leave it at this, or you can do some colorful sprinkling. Let's do it. So now I'm using white gouache to do the eyeball and a little bit of highlighting. Okay, so here is the finished painting of a very simple bluebird perched on a cherry tree on a beautiful, colorful, pristine, pure spring morning. I had a great time painting this and feel very blessed to be able to present it to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, I would very much appreciate a like, comment, share, or even subscription. It really helps the channel and keeps me inspired. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.